This is an opportunity. If you are interested, get in contact with the UDC. Welcome back to the channel, viewers and subscribers. Today we are on the Mandela Highway. As you can see, this is easily the most traversed highway in the country. But more importantly, why we are here today, you see that heavily forested area just behind me? We are at Molynes Estate. And we are here on the Mandela today to look at two areas. Firstly here, Molynes Estate, and then we're going to go further up the road to look at the 876 commercial complex where some companies have now set down their roots. Now, what's important about this forested area? This is a UDC owned property that currently they are taking bids for commercial complexes. So basically this is an opportunity. If you are interested, get in contact with the UDC. And I hope you do enjoy this video today. An exciting opportunity awaits at the Molynes Estate St. Catherine, with the Urban Development Corporation, more popularly known as UDC, is currently inviting individuals and organizations to submit offers to purchase lots within this dynamic development. 78 lots have been subdivided, offering a prime location for commercial and light industrial business. 69 lots are designated for business development, while 8 lots are strategically zoned to provide infrastructure and amenities that support the entire estate. Now, let us give some information how you can participate. To participate in this tender process, there are 2 important steps. First, you have to purchase the information memorandum document, or it's called the IMD, from the UDC. Alternatively, download it directly from the UDC's official website, and it says, please note, documents related to this bidding process are strictly for your use only and cannot be transferred to other individuals. Here we have the regular Sunday morning riders on the ferry. We're just going for a short drive up to the 876 commercial complex, which is just a few miles up the road. Right, so we're going to take a little, we'll take a little turn off the main Mandela Highway at Ferry. And we're going past the Ferry police station on your left. Also there is the, I think that's the IGL plant, if I'm not mistaken, Industrial Gases Limited. Kyle City has a home center out here. And on your left here again, this is the Ideal Group of Schools, which has been here for quite some time. Just behind there, you find the Ferry community, which, as many of you would know, is an informal settlement, and these people have been here for decades. Huge improvements have occurred along this thoroughfare in terms of, you remember, basically this road, every time rainfall, we'll basically we'll be stuck in, yeah, literally, we're stuck in a swamp. Over to the left there, that's Tropical Battery. We'll be seeing some aerial, some drone shots in a little while. And also we'll look at the ATL facility that's located along here, and apparently there's some commercial work going on. So as soon as I find somewhere safe to stop, I will. Yeah, you're looking at the ATL property over there. You see a number of vehicles parked. So just let me step out and give you some drone footage along with some additional information. So behind me is the 876 commercial park. I think I've been saying complex, but it's actually commercial park. Behind me, you're seeing some motor vehicles. Those are vehicles associated with the ATL group that is in this area. So just a little information on that. ATL invested US $3 million to construct a bond store and pre-delivery inspection center here at Ferry. This is on the St. Andrew side. The bond facilitates vehicle release to an authorized dealer and transferring ownership after customs and duties have been paid. So yeah, people, basically ATL uses this as a storage area. The long and short of it. You know, it makes sense to have this area, especially outside of the main Kingston and St. Andrew area, where it is way more expensive to basically have space like this. Also, you would notice if you are on Marcus Garvey Drive, there's also a similar facility, but I think that's actually owned by Kingston Wharf. So I'm also going to look at, as you can see there, Tropical Battery. They have also made another major investment in this area. So Tropical Battery invested $60 million US. This is their new headquarters in Ferry. It said 35 million allocated to the leasehold and improvements and furniture costs. 25 million spent on 120 kilowatt solar energy system, which will be reducing the cost by about $500,000 per month. Yes, that's good. That's actually good, clean energy that they have there. And the strategic plan is to double company growth over the next 10 years. So yeah, so that's actually great, seeing that Tropical Battery has that confidence. And I also think Tropical Battery recently got some contract, I think, from a Mexican company, where they'll be basically the service providers for Teslas as soon as Teslas take off in Jamaica. As you may have seen earlier from the drone footage, there's a sign on the other side of that bridge that speaks to about electrical vehicles and electrical charge. That is something taking off now in Jamaica. But another time I'm going to do a video focused on the growth of electrical vehicles and charging facilities in Jamaica. And as you can also see, there's some work going on. I'm not sure whose area that is or what complex is coming here, but we'll know soon. And as you can see by the drone footage also, you see a lot of open areas where there is potential, where potential commercial activities will be there in the coming months or coming years. Also, our next big company located out here is Nestle. And Nestle invested $12 million US to develop a distribution complex here at Ferry. The complex spans 84,000 square meters, including corporate office and distribution center. It's known as the Google of Jamaica due to its open floor concept and free-flowing workspace. So yes, there are big investments going on. Also, there's another company called ATL there, and also the Tankweld Group has commercial complexes. You can see beyond there, that's closer to the hillside, and we're looking at Plantation Heights, which has some beautiful homes on the hillside here out on Ferry. And as you can also see, our beautiful highway. Remember, because this area, the highway was basically built in a swamp, how we used to have continuous flooding. Now all of those problems are gone, thankfully. And also, they have done a good job of balancing out industrial and the nature. As you can see, you're looking at all the swamp area there, a lot of it is not troubled. So that's a very good thing. Now, I'll be just taking a ride just along, just to show you from ground level what the area looks like. Let's make this left turn just to give you a better view from ground level of what this place looks like. I'll go as far as I can. As you can see, there's open space. So this looks like it can hold one big complex. I probably some work is going on over here on your right. Not sure what is going there. This is the first time I'm coming around here. I've always just driven by and taken a look from distance, but it's my first time being here on the ground level. So this is another company. Oh, it's a Carreras. It's a part of the Carreras group. So it's Carreras for a Better Tomorrow. On the building it says ATL Connections. Oh no! Apparently it's two different complexes. So this is ATL, and apparently behind us is Carreras. This looks good, and here's that area that I saw work being done. Not quite sure what is going on over there. Just going to make a quick spin towards where Tropical Battery is located. If I can go so far. But I'm going to go and see. Oh, that was a load scan machine that he just passed, that yellow thing on the left hand side. Looking good. Tropical Battery is directly in front of us. And the ATL on your left hand, as you would have seen from the drone footage earlier on. This is nice. Let's make this left turn and explore as much of this place as I can. Yes. The vehicles there waiting for their owners to basically come and possess them. Security talking to his friend early in the morning. I guess he's probably bored at this time. But yeah, people, this is a good look. You know, I'm always pleased with seeing our country do better at all time, and not into this whole heap of negativity not go on. Sometimes, you know, people, it's just how we look at things. It's either we look at the cup half full or half empty, and we cannot deny the facts that we're seeing in front of us. There's a Shopman truck. They're getting very popular now in Jamaica, and they're cheaper than the old yesterday load scan machine I had spoken about earlier. I think if I turn left, that seems to be a dead end if I go down that street, so I'm not going to go that way. I'm going to go straight ahead. This is Automotive Parkway. That's the name of the roadway. So I'm going to go and just explore a bit more of the area. You know, this is kind of exciting, you know, when you go somewhere you're not, you know, fully au fait of the details. But we are all learning as I go along. And there's another commercial complex we're looking on with that green at the top. If I'm able to see any kind of sign or anything, but this is the old road. Straight ahead is Tankweld Metals. As I said, Tankweld basically has also built up a number of facilities around here. Shopman Jamaica. This is Shopman Jamaica. Tankweld right in front of us. And I think China Harbour has an office right there also, China Harbour Engineering. So this is all Tankweld. And straight ahead. Lanco. This is Lanco. Lanco's commercial complex, and there are some what does look like water bottles that we normally put spring water in. And some more facilities here owned by Tankweld. Their fabrication center is down this road. Yeah, I think this is as far as at the moment the commercial complexes extend. So I am going to go down to the bottom of this road and then, you know, make a quick turn around. I head back and look on a road that I had driven past earlier on. So like I said earlier on, I had driven past this roadway. I didn't make a turn. Let's see what pops up here. There doesn't seem to be much or anything happening, but at least up to this point. Oh, it's just a lot of wires. Apparently this is a storage facility. Seems like a lot of it's Arc Industries. So Arc Industries apparently owns that area or operates in that area. I think this is the back of Carreras. This roadway is blocked off, So there's no access. This is Distribution Boulevard. Oh, this carries me back to that roundabout. Yeah. Folks, this is Commerce Avenue. And as you can see, this land is being cleared. So another organization will be taking up the opportunity to build their commercial complex here. And as we look at the beautiful plantation heights over there, beyond, you know, that's a very beautiful view from up there for the residents who live up there, and it's beautiful. I have a friend that actually lives there that keeps on, every time messes with me, saying that he gets natural AC while I have to pay for AC because I live down on the flat in Portmore. So behind me, folks, we're seeing a section of the newly replaced Ferry pipeline. This was done in recent years in order to kind of fix the kind of water problems we have had within the corporate era. So I had to make this one stop. The video should have been, I planned to conclude it, but I said, hey, what? I'm driving past the Ferry pipeline here, heading back home to Portmore. So let's stop and get a look of footage and give a bit of information. So now this modern system actually replaces the 18-inch pipeline that used to be here. This is now a 600mm Ferry pipeline, and this will basically help to push water to better water supply distribution to Washington Boulevard, Dunrobin Avenue, Upper Waltham, Seaward Drive. It also interconnects with the 700mm main along Constant Spring Road for enhanced service.